am on a mission to find the best university in Canada. Now, I'm not talking about academics, no one cares about that. I'm talking straight aesthetics. And what better way to find out if a university is good than to go undercover in it? So that's what I did. Now, to make this more fun, I don't want to just roam around the university and come back home, right? So I thought I would do one of 4 tasks in the span of an hour. I need to find the university library, I need to find the University Bookstore and buy a souvenir, I need to try and sneak into a lecture, and I need to find a professor's office. The catch is that I'm not allowed to use any maps and I'm not allowed to talk to anyone about directions. And I need to do all of these in the span of an hour. So let's see how I did. It's 2:30 p.m. now. I am at uOttawa and now it's time for me to go undercover. So the first thing I was thinking I would do is try to find the library. They have these maps everywhere, but I'm not allowed to look at them. That's not part of the rules. I think this is the edge of the campus. I don't really see anything related to uOttawa here. I'm guessing that these are all of the residential areas, which is not where I'm supposed to be right now. So far the only thing I've seen is the Department of Theatre and a bunch of residential places, so I'm not even sure if I'm in the right part of the university yet, which isn't good because I only have like 70-ish minutes, 80-ish minutes to do this, so I have to hurry up. Finding the sign of the university could have been a good challenge to add, but I didn't think of it. Maybe for next time. The tough thing about being in university is that you don't know when the university starts and when you're at the edge of the university. I'm getting closer. I feel like I picked the worst day ever to film this, because look at the state of the roads right now and the sidewalks. And guess who doesn't have snowshoes? I'm not joking, look at this. I think I just went around a giant circle and I ended up at the same place. I'm just wasting time here. I suppose the university is that way. I went round this way and I took a huge giant circle for no reason. But I guess I'm supposed to be here. This seems more like it. Do you see what I see? I think that says library there. I need to find the entrance to the library and I can check the first thing off the list of things to do here. That seemed much easier than I thought it would be. Found the library as soon as I entered the main campus of uOttawa. I tried finding a place to sit in the library, but it was packed, as you could see. I didn't want to disturb anyone. It was very silent and awkward, so I just decided to leave. So I have done the library bit. I need to find a professor's office. I need to find the gift shop or the souvenir place so I can get a souvenir for myself at uOttawa. I need to sneak into a lecture as well. If there's one thing I hate about being in Ottawa, it's the amount of snow that happens here in the winters. You know what? I'll just sneak into this place. I don't know what this is. That building seemed interesting, and I don't know what this Perez Hall is, but I saw a sign, so I might as well check it out. I don't think I'm supposed to be in. Yeah, I don't know where I ended up, but pretty sure I'm not supposed to be here. I should leave as soon as possible. We have to find the souvenir shop, the gift shop at uOttawa. It's 3:08. I didn't even realize the time. I need to go buy something from here and leave as soon as possible so I can go to a random classroom. I think I've decided to get this. It's only for like $10, so. You know, when I started this challenge, I thought that it would be easy to just record everywhere, but it's so awkward and I don't know how to act when I'm interacting with people, shoving a camera up their faces. But I got my souvenir. You know, sometimes you feel like you have a really good idea, and then when you actually go about executing that idea, you find out how dumb of an idea it really was. That's how it feels right now for me. I think that counts as finding the professors' offices. They didn't say specifically what professors they were and what department's building I'm in, but I think I did it. What kind of a shady place have I walked into? This is still technically part of the university, but this place is blocked. So I guess I'll go to the second floor. Or not. The door is locked. Faculty of Health Sciences. Also it says faculty and staff only, and just a few minutes ago I was right there. Anyways, I didn't see that sign before, so let me just leave while I can. You know, I've gone up to this part of the university so many times at this point. It feels too familiar. Well, it feels like I'm doing this on repeat. So let me try to break the cycle by going upstairs and seeing what's happening. It's almost 3:30 now, and I can sadly say that the challenge could not be completed within 60 minutes, and a part of me is kind of glad that this is ending now, because I was starting to get noticed by people, and a few people told me to stop recording as well. The toughest part of the challenge was sneaking into a lecture, and I really thought I could do it, but I can't. So I'm gonna back up and see what I can do.